What happens if you drink olive oil every night before bed? Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that has been gaining popularity lately: the effects of drinking olive oil every night before bed. Yes, you heard that right. Olive oil, a staple in Mediterranean cuisine, is not just for cooking anymore. People are now turning to this golden elixir as a bedtime ritual for its potential health benefits. So, what exactly happens when you consume olive oil before hitting the hay? In this video, we'll explore the potential benefits and drawbacks of incorporating this practice into your nightly routine. From promoting heart health to aiding digestion, olive oil is believed to have a range of positive effects on the body. But, as with any health trend, there may also be some downsides to consider. Moreover, we'll delve into how olive oil can impact your overall health and sleep quality. Could this simple habit be the key to a better night's rest and improved well-being? Stick around to find out. Lastly, we'll discuss the relevance of drinking olive oil before bed in our daily routines. Is this practice just a passing fad, or could it be a beneficial addition to our nighttime rituals? Let's explore together and uncover the truth behind this intriguing trend. Nutritional value of olive oil. Let's take a closer look at the nutritional components of olive oil and how they can impact our bodies when consumed before bed. Olive oil is rich in healthy fats, antioxidants, and vitamins that play a crucial role in supporting our overall well-being. The monounsaturated fats found in olive oil are known to be heart-healthy and can help lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Additionally, olive oil is packed with powerful antioxidants such as polyphenol, which have anti-inflammatory properties and can protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants not only support our immune system but also contribute to healthy skin and hair. Moreover, the vitamins present in olive oil, including vitamin E and vitamin K, are essential for maintaining optimal health. Vitamin E acts as a potent antioxidant, while vitamin K plays a key role in blood clotting and bone health. When consumed before bed, the nutrients in olive oil can also aid in digestion by promoting the production of bile, which helps break down fats and improve nutrient absorption. However, it's important to note that excessive consumption of olive oil can lead to weight gain and digestive issues. Moderation is key when incorporating olive oil into your nightly routine to reap its benefits without overdoing it. Impact on digestion and metabolism. Have you ever wondered how drinking olive oil before bed can influence your digestion and metabolism? Let's delve into the role of olive oil in supporting these essential bodily functions. Olive oil is known for its ability to promote digestive health by stimulating the production of bile, a substance that aids in the breakdown of fats and enhances nutrient absorption. By incorporating olive oil into your nightly routine, you may experience improved digestion and a more efficient metabolism. For individuals dealing with digestive issues or a slow metabolism, consuming olive oil before bed could offer a range of benefits. The healthy fats in olive oil can help soothe the digestive tract and alleviate symptoms such as bloating and indigestion. Additionally, the antioxidants in olive oil may reduce inflammation in the gut, promoting overall digestive wellness. However, it's crucial to exercise caution and avoid overconsumption of olive oil, as excessive intake can disrupt digestive processes and lead to unwanted side effects. Moderation is key when incorporating olive oil into your bedtime routine to ensure that you reap the benefits without putting a strain on your digestive system. Remember, balance is key when it comes to enhancing digestion and metabolism through the consumption of olive oil before bed. If you found this video helpful so far, please subscribe to our channel for more health-related tips. Thank you. Quality of sleep. Have you ever considered how consuming olive oil before bed could impact the quality of your sleep? Let's explore the intriguing relationship between olive oil and a restful night's rest. Olive oil contains properties that may promote relaxation and improve sleep patterns, making it a potential ally in your quest for better sleep. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil can help regulate neurotransmitters in the brain, promoting a sense of calm and aiding in the transition to a peaceful slumber. If you're looking to incorporate olive oil into your bedtime routine for improved sleep, consider drizzling a small amount over a light evening snack or mixing it into a soothing herbal tea. By making olive oil a part of your nightly ritual, you may experience enhanced relaxation and a deeper, more restorative sleep. However, it's essential to be mindful of your olive oil intake, as excessive consumption before bed could potentially disrupt your sleep quality. Consuming large amounts of fat-rich foods late at night may lead to indigestion and discomfort, ultimately interfering with your ability to achieve a restful night's sleep. Remember to listen to your body and adjust your olive oil consumption accordingly to ensure that it enhances, rather than hinders, your sleep quality. Long-term health effects. Curious about the potential long-term health effects of regularly drinking olive oil before bed? Let's take a closer look at how this practice could impact your overall well-being in the long run. Olive oil consumption has been linked to a range of health benefits, particularly when it comes to heart health and cholesterol levels. By incorporating olive oil into your nightly routine, you may be supporting your cardiovascular system and potentially lowering your risk of heart disease. The cumulative impact of olive oil consumption on heart health is significant, as the monounsaturated fats in olive oil can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and improve overall heart function. However, it's crucial to remember that moderation is key when it comes to reaping the benefits of olive oil. Pairing olive oil consumption with a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is essential for maintaining optimal health and preventing potential risks associated with excessive fat intake. As always, it's important to consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice on incorporating olive oil into your daily routine. Your doctor or nutritionist can provide guidance tailored to your individual health needs and help you make informed decisions about your dietary choices. Remember, your long-term health is a priority, so approach olive oil consumption with mindfulness and care for a healthier future. As we wrap up our exploration of consuming olive oil every night before bed, let's recap the key points to consider when incorporating this practice into your routine. Throughout this video, we've discussed the potential benefits and risks associated with drinking olive oil before bedtime. From promoting heart health and aiding digestion to potentially improving sleep quality, olive oil offers a range of advantages for those looking to enhance their overall well-being. However, it's essential to approach olive oil consumption with moderation and mindfulness. While the healthy fats and antioxidants in olive oil can be beneficial, excessive intake may lead to unwanted side effects and disrupt your digestive processes. Remember to listen to your body and adjust your olive oil consumption based on your individual health considerations. Above all, we encourage you to make informed choices about your dietary habits and seek professional guidance when needed. Consulting with healthcare professionals, such as your doctor or a registered dietitian, can provide personalized advice tailored to your specific health needs and ensure that you're making choices that support your long-term well-being. Ultimately, the decision to consume olive oil before bed is a personal one, and it's important to prioritize your health and well-being as you navigate this practice. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery, and here's to making informed and mindful choices for a healthier lifestyle.